The award ceremony takes place in London, in one of the most luxurious hotels in the city. What is needed to create something unique? What is needed to look for the best? What is needed to let the world open? When you're in love, when you're confident, when your thoughts are heavenly. This is when the world opens to you, and this is when you become the best. Ladies and gentlemen, while they were creating, we were giving scores. All this was just to name the best once a year. By unanimous decision of the jury, taking into account the scoring, the world star in the field of design and architecture, the company of Dmitry Kovalev, has been announced the winner of the prestigious International European Property Awards in 3 different categories and in 3 different projects at once. Number 1, category Best Interior Design, project Penthouse on Giliarovkova Street. The company has won a deserved victory for the stunning design project of a 2-story penthouse in an eclectic style with loft elements, which is located in the center of Moscow. Having realized this project, the company of Dmitry Kovalev is breaking into the world market even further. The total area of the apartment with 4 terraces is 750 square meters. First floor. The first floor is complemented with a dressing room, 2 children's rooms, a master bedroom, a guest bathroom, and a hall with a gallery of works of art. Children's room of the youngest daughter. Bathroom. Children's room of the older daughter. Bathroom. Wife's bedroom. Husband's bedroom. Dressing room. Terrace. Number 2. Category Change of architecture in a high-rise building. Design. Project Aivazovsky Residential Complex. The design of the 3-level apartment of a cylindrical shape on the 30th floor of the Aivazovsky clubhouse in the center of Moscow represents a mixture of modern and loft style with Moroccan motifs. The apartment and the terrace, with an area of 210 square meters, includes the recreation room, customer's bedroom, children's bedroom, bathroom, study room with a wood-burning fireplace, and a living area with a ceiling of 9 meters high. The mezzanine floor, made of glass and metal with a floor dimming function, is installed in this room, along with a low noise pump elevator with child protection systems and telephony. Recreation room. Owner's bedroom. Children's bedroom. Bathroom with blue onyx. Study room. Terrace on the 31st floor. Number 3. Category Architecture Business Design. Project Taganka Bathhouse and Spa. Taganka Bathhouse and Spa in a mix of loft style and modern minimalism, with the women's section in a touch of glamour spread over 2,000 square meters, represents a complex of 3 segmented floors. First floor, with a business class bath section for men with a beauty and Thai massage parlor and a full cycle restaurant. Second floor is shared by premium men's and women's sections, hammams, salts and snow chambers, and VIP booths with walls of salt blocks. Third floor, individual spa VIP apartments suitable for permanent residents. Lobby, central reception. First floor, reception in the men's area. The snow chamber is a true jewel in the crown of the spa complex. Premium men's section on the second floor. Bar. Scrub area. hammam. VIP chambers with walls of salt blocks. VIP spa apartments. To date, these works are recognized as the best. We would like to bring to your attention to the corporations that helped us to witness these masterpieces of design art. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, the Telegraf, Emirates Airlines,